everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use tracing paper to carry on practicing your brush strokes even when you don't have a nice coated paper like marker paper or rhodia paper. So what I'm going to do is show you how to use ordinary tracing paper. If you have a look here, I've got Pro Art, the Pro Art brand. It's just tracing paper, so whatever you happen to have lying around at home, you can just use that. This is a 60 GSM. I really don't think it matters too much. If you have a look at the tracing paper that I've got, it's got a nice smooth feel. It's slightly rough, but it's honestly not going to damage your pens like printer paper would. So what I would normally suggest is that if you're practicing or printing out my practice sheets, you would print them onto a nice coated marker paper or rhodia. But with the lockdown, a lot of people don't have access to decent paper at the moment. So if you have tracing paper, you print out one sheet. You may also be running out of printer ink. So you, in this way, you're also saving your ink. So print out one sheet and you would put your tracing paper over it and then you just start practicing. So the one I've got here is the practice sheet for large brush strokes. And this one you'll find on my website. If you go onto calligraphyjoburg.com, you'll find these under the Learn Online section. So what you can do is practice your strokes first if you feel that you need to go over them again. And then you've got plain lines where you can actually just do your own strokes, but you've got them printed here so that you can carry on having a look at them and seeing how they look. Because sometimes you need to just have a little bit of a reminder. For your bigger color pens like the Tombow pens, I honestly would suggest rather either using tracing paper or waiting until you can get your hands on some decent paper. Okay guys, well I hope that helps and thanks for watching.